Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing the right thread and needle. Thicker wool needs a larger eye. Thread a moderate length to prevent knots and make a stopper knot or waist knot at the tail so stitches hold. Once done, position your fabric and insert the needle with a confident, even motion to avoid splitting the yarn. Make sure to keep tension steady. Too tight causes puckering, too loose looks messy. This immediate action gets you sewing quickly and sets an even foundation for every. You now focus on consistent tension and technique so your work looks uniform. Keep the thread running smoothly by wrapping it lightly around your fingers. Change grips for long runs versus detailed areas. Once done with a pass, gently smooth the thread with your thumb to check tension and make adjustments before continuing. Make sure to angle the needle slightly when entering the fabric to capture all wool strands and avoid splitting, which weakens stitches and creates fuzzy. You finish by securing ends neatly so your work endures. Weave tails into nearby stitches or use a small backstitch, then trim. Once done, block or lightly steam the piece to relax fibers and even out tension, which improves drape and appearance. Make sure to inspect seams. If puckering or tangles appear, calmly unpick a small section, straighten the thread, and restitch with slightly looser tension. This troubleshooting step fixes common problems without harming the wool and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.